In today's recap, getting started over on the S&P this morning, staying above the 902, looking for movements to 945. Quick spike up on the opening move, ended up holding, moving all the way back to the big macro price. Started out in this macro 20 this morning. Key price level. Quick opening move, couldn't break the high of the day, nor touch the top of the channel, setting up for reversals all the way back down to the bottom of the channel. Fell into a little bit of a range before setting up a good higher low, testing back up to 27.75, but set up some other short opportunities with the strength. Now moving down, breaking into the next macro view, setting up other short opportunities, pulling back off that big macro price to the key price level. Over on the NQ, big macro view this morning, staying above 354, was looking for movements to 596. Quick head fake long this morning, turned right back around, setting up for a good reversal all the way back to the big macro price. Started out in that macro 20 this morning, again, opening move, set up for a long opportunity. Ended up holding at the top of the channel. That SR1 at 58, setting up for good reversals all the way back down with that strength, setting up strong opportunities all the way to the bottom of that macro 20, and stayed in that range, but being patient, wait for those lower highs and higher lows, setting up good long and short opportunities in that macro 10 before stalling out, setting up several opportunities before moving short. Broke all the way out with that strength into the next macro view and held at the SR1. One trade for 45. Over on crude oil this morning, started out in that macro 20. Right at opening, came and retested 57, setting up for some good long opportunities. Did stall out at the high of the day, setting up for a good short. Just didn't have any strength. Set up other long opportunities then, with the higher lows, moved to the top of the channel. Setting up for a good short, lower high. And then we stayed in that range for a bit, did set up another good short opportunity off 87, stalled out, setting up for a good long with enough strength to put in the next channel with a nice breakout. Moved all the way up to 53 before reversing around and then coming back into the original channel and all the way back towards the big key price level of the day after hitting the big macro price of 51, moving up this morning, pulled all the way back down again. Setting up some good long and short opportunities, being patient at those SRs.